It's time for a wash day. Hey y'all. It's been a little bit over a year since my viral curly hair routine. So I wanted to film an updated one for you guys since it's been, like I said, a little over a year. I don't know if all my other curly girlies are like this, but I feel like I change up my curly hair routine about every 2 to 3 business days. The products that I use now are completely different than the products that I used in this video right here. As you can see, my hair is in dire need of revitalization. She's crunchy, she's flaking off, she's brittle, she's just not cute. And I'm sure most of that is due to me dyeing my hair. As you can see, it's kind of wearing off at the tips. We're gonna do a deep conditioning mask today. We're cleansing my scalp and then doing the whole nines, giving my hair a good wash. My hair is really in a brittle state. Like I can show you right now. Y'all look at this. I can pull out my hair and this is what I've been doing all day. Like look at that. Babe, that's not healthy. It's time for a wash day. So I will meet y'all in the shower.
Hey y'all, so we're in the shower now. Watching this footage back, I realized that my hair is severely damaged and I think it's due to the box dye. So here's your sign to not dye your hair with some box dye, child. Dye it the right way. As you can see, my hair is really brittle, it's really dry, and it's really hard to break apart. So I'm just gonna split my hair into 2 sections so I can work with it in sections and then split that section into 2. Here I'm just showing you guys that I think I have high porosity hair because as you can see, I'm wetting it and then it literally just absorbs the water with the quickness. So because I don't have a pre-poo, I'm gonna go in just with a random conditioner. I have this conditioner on hand. It's by Native. Nothing special about it. It's just really to detangle my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with a wide tooth comb and start from the bottom up. That's super important. You want to start from the bottom up. Y'all, like I'm getting really sick and tired of my hair. I cannot lie to you. A big chop has been on my mind heavy. I might not go bald like I have in the past, but I think I'm gonna go for like a Babiana look or just shorter like how I was at the beginning of this year or last year because my hair is just so damaged. Like it's really bad. Like just look at the before. It's not giving, y'all. I don't know. I might not, who knows. I have a unhealthy relationship with my hair. So I'm gonna just rinse all of that out and then repeat it on the other side of my head. This takes me about 15 minutes, maybe 20. So now that I have that rinsed out of my hair, I'm gonna go in with a cleansing shampoo. I believe I used this in the other video. This is just by Camille Rose. It's a cleansing shampoo. I've seen people use non-dish soap, girl, so you might get away with that. Then I'm gonna go in with this hair scrubber. I'm iffy about this on my hair. I feel like it knots my hair up really fast, but sometimes I like it. I don't know. It just depends on the day, or it depends how my hair is feeling. So I'm just gonna scrub that into my hair. I'm really trying to focus on cleaning my scalp and giving my scalp a clean canvas so that I can apply these products and they'll go on super nicely. Now I'm going to go in with my regular shampoo and conditioner by Carol's Daughter. This is in black vanilla. If you guys watched my fall hygiene routine, I got it specifically for the vanilla scent, but I've been using it ever since because hello, I paid for it. Thank you. So I'm going to go in with the shampoo and I'm going to cleanse my scalp again. So we're double cleansing and really just working it in there. After my scalp is completely cleansed, I'm going to go in with this Biolage deep conditioning mask. I actually got this from Marshall's. It's super inexpensive. If you're looking for curly hair products and you're on a budget, go hit up Marshall's, go hit up TJ Maxx. On the rules, it says to leave it in for about 5 minutes. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just tie my hair back, put a plastic cap on my hair and wait 5 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that the 5 minutes are up, I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out of my hair. While rinsing, I'm just gonna go back in and just finger detangle anything just in case there's any knots, because knowing my hair, it forms knots. Child, I form knots on singular hair strands. I kid you not. I guess they're called fairy knots, but it's actually so annoying. My light ended up actually dying, so I had to use my phone flash just to show you guys when to go in with the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Conditioner, and I'll see y'all when we get out the shower.
Okay guys, I'm out of the shower now. My hair is completely dry because I had to put my daughter to sleep. So I have my water bottle here with me. So we're gonna wet our hair along the way because we wanna put products in our hair when they're wet, when it's wet. We're gonna start off with our leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner that I am going to be using. It is by Curls. It is the Pop and Pineapple So Smooth Vitamin C leave-in conditioner. I have my water bottle here. We're just gonna saturate my hair. I'm going to work that leave-in conditioner into my hair. You know, I'm also gonna go in with my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla. This is a leave-in conditioner spray. I'm also gonna go in with that at the roots. Now we're gonna go in with a curl defining cream. This is by Not Your Mother's. Now, creams are a bit heavy, so I'm not gonna go in with too much. That much probably for half of this, and then the other half the same. I'm gonna go in with a mousse. This is one of my favorite mousses. It's by The Dough. So I'm just gonna go in with the mousse. And I'm really gonna try to focus on my roots because that's where I get the most like puffiness. So now that I have my leave-in conditioner, my curly cream, my mousse, now I'm gonna go in with a gel, and I'm gonna be using the Curlsmith Curl Defining Souffle. Just about this much of it, and really work that into my hair, starting from the roots down. So I'm gonna just part my hair into sections, repeat all of that throughout all the sections of my hair. And once I get to the top, I'm just gonna show you guys again. And then after that, we're gonna get into the drying process. Okay, so I reached the bang part of my hair. If you didn't know, I cut some bangs like a little while ago, but I think it's time for a refresh. So I want to like just give them a little trim. I usually don't like to trim my bangs when they're like dry and not really defined. Feliz Navidad. I'm going to define my hair first. First, I go in with a it was your life on the line. First, we're gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner, 2 leave-in conditioners actually, the Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner, and we're gonna go in our roots. After that, I'm gonna go in with a curl defining cream. So then I'm gonna go in with the dough mousse, a pump of that, and just focus on my roots and then work my way down. I feel like I have damage. I still have damage on the front ends of my hair from so many slick backs, and I don't know how to recover it. So now we're gonna go in with Curlsmith Curl Defining Souffle, the styling souffle. And again, we're gonna focus on our roots and then just work our way down. So because my hair is not dry yet, I'm not about to beast and cut them right here. Like, absolutely not. So I'm just gonna cut like over here to my upper lip. That's about how long I'm gonna cut. Just a tad bit shorter. So this is how my hair looks after applying the product. I'm gonna let it air dry for a while. Then I'm gonna come back with you guys and then we're gonna diffuse my hair. Y'all, I lied. I'm not about to wait till it dries. We're gonna dry it now. Y'all, I don't know what went wrong, but I feel like I didn't really get that much definition. I'm not sure what's going on. So this is my hair, somewhat dry. It's still a little damp. Okay, so this is after almost, I believe this is 100% dry. A little damp right here, but not 100%, then like 98%. So I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy pick, even though I really feel like I don't need it, but I'm just gonna pick my roots a little, especially on the sides where it's too flat, and just play around with it really till I get it to like my desired. Now that I have all of that, I don't know how I'm feeling this bang. I don't know how I'm feeling this bang. I feel like I cut maybe a little too much, but we're gonna go in with a Curlsmith oil to kind of break the cast in my hair from the gel. Just go in there and shake hair up. All right, y'all, this is the end result of my hair. I had to throw on some lash clusters because I was looking like a naked morale. This is the end result of my hair. I don't know how I feel about it, but I mean, hey, I gotta rock with it for the next week. Volume has never really been my issue. My issue was always like definition, but usually if you're striving for definition, the volume isn't really in picture. I don't know why that is, but usually when you want definition, the volume is canceled out. So anyways, if any of these products are your favorite or you would like me to try any products, please be sure to leave them down in the comments below. But that is the end of today's video. I would love to have you stay longer, so go ahead and watch my vlogs or go ahead and binge all of my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.